One of the things that I get asked about a lot are holiday cards, and to help people be able to create their own holiday cards from home, I've added a new feature to my website, and that includes ordering of holiday cards that are pre-designed for you from me. So I'm going to start here by clicking on one of the galleries and creating a card just so you can kind of see what it's like. I'm going to scroll on through. This was an extended family portrait, but maybe this is the picture that we want to use for our gallery. So if I come over here and I click on it, it opens it up, and I'm able to click on Buy Photo, which is in the lower right hand corner. And once I do that, I kind of get this this box that pops up, and it says Create Greeting Cards. So that's where I'm going to go, right over here to Create Greeting Cards. And once I do that, I get a really nice kind of holiday card layout, so I can see some of the samples that we have for different designs. So I'm just going to pretend that this is the one we're going with, and I can scroll on through and say, you know, I'm looking to use this image and this image and this one, and maybe this one, and you know, an extended family one. So once I do that, I can come up to the corner over here and hit submit. And it gives me the option, just like if I were using like a Snapfish or a Shutterfly, it gives me some options to drop in. So if I wanted to have this as my front portrait, we've got this in here. And then I can really use some different layouts on the side. I can, you know, change it if I want more of a navy, or I want like a pine theme, or maybe the front layout, I'm more interested in having two photos so I can have two side by side. So we've got that for an option. I also have the option to change the edge if I want scalloped or some type of notched edging over here. It does change the price of it, but up at the top, it shows us what the price is per 25 cards. And as a drop-down menu, I can see that if I want 35 cards, it's going to be $51. As you buy more, the price of the cards does decrease. There's some designs that are less expensive than others, some that have only maybe one photo on the front as opposed to something else. The lowest that the price goes is down to 97 cents per card, and that is two-side printing, including your envelopes. So hopefully this will give you a little bit more flexibility and creativity. I, of course, am still available to create cards for people that are more personalized, but this gives you some options too. Of course, you've got the back, you can change your font, you can change what you've got going on for that. But I like it. I feel like it gives people some options beyond Snapfish and Shutterfly to have all your gallery right there to be able to make those. So hopefully you find that convenient, and if there's any issues, you can always call me.